everyone, I am Anil Bhattarai. Today I will demonstrate the use cases of different rule types currently available in Solibri Inside. Let's continue the series of checks with another type of check you can do in Solibri Inside, which is Operability Check. Before going on the check, let's limit the view for export to ground floor. From the predefined rules, let's select Door Operability Check. The rule checks that the selected doors are operable and can open as required based on the door width, height, and opening direction. This ensures that none of the selected obstacles obstructs the operational space. In addition, the rule type checks door clearance, that is, whether there is sufficient free space in front of, behind, and next to the selected doors as shown here in the editor. Let's move on to the check. The model is being checked against the requirements. As shown here, we can actually continue working on our design and get back later. However, let's continue with the checking. After processing the model, we can see from the results that these doors do not have sufficient clearance to be opened. We can select these doors in model. We can see from 2D view that this object is blocking or obstructing the operation of this door.